tools that I use for this job to exchange the coil clutch for the AC, and got the new one in here. Took the old one out, left it in a box over there. But there's the clutch, the snap rings I got out with those pliers, the pulley, how to use the small vise to hold it while I unbolted it. And I basically use this little wrench to get in and smack it loose with the hammer, and I had to do that with a couple bolts in. Also use the brake clean and freeze off. Again, that was a tip from Ratchets and Wrenches. And of course this lever arm helped a lot, especially on bolting the top bolts from the compressor to get some more room for this Honda Civic 09 LX. It was just too hard, and these are the lower mounting bolts and the upper one. I left one in there just to keep it a little more stable, because I don't want to risk refrigerant coming out and getting all over the place. This here is the screw for the ground wire on the coil, which you can see here. So basically you'll see that just screws into this there. I get that in, and that's gonna go on first, followed by the snap rings that came with them, which should be in here too. Yeah, there they are. Okay, that's all you really need to do this job. Of course, some sockets and these wrenches. I use them for the hydraulic tensioner, because this lever arm is a little too big. But yeah, I got a 11/16 and a 3/4, and I believe the 11/16 went on there from the back. Alrighty, don't forget your snap ring pliers.